Now we have a new contestant. And who will it be? Her name starts with a T, and it's Taylor Swift. Now, Taylor Swift, how are you and how's your life been? Oh, you've been going to college. How have the records been going? Pretty good? Yeah? I heard that you have a new music video. What's it called? Oh, really? Now, Taylor Swift, tell me what you're good at. Oh, you're good at painting just like my grandmother. Wow, we have like a lot of people who are good at painting. Even I'm good at drawing anything. I know, right? So many people are good at everything. And you know what? I'm actually good at singing and hula hooping. And yeah. And now I was actually thinking about singing tonight, but no,